10 hilarious tips to conquer your fear of flying. Soaring high. 10 comedic hacks to tame your fear of flying. One, understand the statistics. Did you know that flying is one of the safest modes of transportation? Statistically, you're more likely to get struck by lightning than to be involved in a plane crash. So, next time you feel nervous, just remember, Mother Nature is out to get you, not the pilots. Two, meet your friendly neighborhood pilot. If you're nervous, why not chat with the pilot before takeoff? They might share some secrets about flying, and if nothing else, you can find out who really gets the best snacks in the cockpit. Three, bring a comfort buddy. Whether it's a stuffed animal, your best friend, or a calming playlist, having a comfort buddy can make all the difference. Just don't let your stuffed animal fly the plane. Four, mind over matter. Use visualization techniques. Picture yourself on a beach, sipping a fruity drink. Instead of imagining yourself plummeting into the ocean. Just don't visualize the drink spilling everywhere. Five, breathe like a yoga master. Practice deep breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Just don't forget to breathe. We don't want you turning blue mid-flight.
It has arrived.
6, distract yourself. Watch a movie, read a book, or engage in a good old-fashioned game of how many snacks can I eat before takeoff? Engaging your mind can help keep those scary thoughts at bay. 7. Educate yourself. Learn about how planes work. Knowing that a plane is basically a giant metal bird might make you feel better. Just remember, it's not a bird that can suddenly decide to fly south for the winter. Eight, choose your seat wisely. If turbulence gives you the jitters, opt for a seat over the wings. It's like picking the best spot in a roller coaster. You want the smoothest ride possible. Just don't forget to hold onto your popcorn. Nine, stay hydrated. Drink water, not alcohol. While a little liquid courage might seem appealing, it can lead to more anxiety and bathroom trips. We don't want you doing the airplane shuffle down the aisle. 10. Laugh it off. Lastly, humor is your best friend. Laugh at the absurdity of your fears. Share a funny flying story, like the time you accidentally boarded the wrong plane and ended up in a different country. Fear of flying is common, but with these 10 tips, you can turn that fear into a fun flying experience. Remember, every flight is a chance to create a new adventure. Just keep your sense of humor intact. And there you have it. We hope you discover something interesting today about 10 hilarious tips to conquer your fear of flying.